There's a new tool by Claude. It's called Claude Co-work, and it's going to help you with any tasks you have, apparently. Which in this case, what do we see? We see create a file, crunch data, make prototype, prep for the day, organize files, send a message. Also like 50 million views almost. Check Google Calendar, and it opens the tab. Does it do it all, or like how does that work?
The Chrome extension.
Okay. Okay, gotcha. Because it can get scary to the level of access that you can give these tools. Anyway, so here they ask it to organize the files, and this is what is very interesting to me, because I'm not very organized, and I have some older hard drives that are very unorganized, and I would like to organize them, but I don't know. This is kind of interesting how it does it. Documents, photos, very cleaning. It cleans it up very nicely and tidy. Have you tried it?
No, I've not tried it yet. I mean, in summary, I would describe this as Claude Code for normies, right?
Yeah,
I can already do this all with Claude Code. I can already do this with Claude Code, right?
Okay, interesting.
I can already do this with Warp. And in fact,
Okay.
yesterday,
I guess I understand. Yeah.
I had all my hard drives out, and so I use Screen Studio to record all my screen sharing videos that I do on my personal channel, right? And I wanted to move the Screen Studio file into the folder that was associated with the video that it was doing, because it saves it in a separate folder. And I told Warp, say, look at the name of this Screen Studio file, do a fuzzy search inside of this folder. If you find something, let me know, and then I'll decide whether I want you to move it into that folder or not. And it wrote a bash script and went through it, and then it would ask me, we found these 3 folders that it might belong to. Which one do you want to do, or do you want to skip it? And literally, like, I'm a coder. Co-work is not for me. It's for people it's Claude Code for normies.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah. And I think it introduces or further exemplifies the seismic shift we're seeing not only in software development, but also in normies, where we're starting to think about what can we build, what can we do, what systems can we build to get micro jobs done. Not, we don't need to build a SaaS product to help us, build a pipeline system for this, that, and the other. We just want to clean our desktop. How can I do that more efficiently? Yeah. Organize my files into, categorize them in certain ways and then put them into folders. Be a bit more specific about them rather than dragging and dropping and doing. We're thinking more about how we can use software day to day on really small tasks to help get our job done that will never see the light of day, that we'll just scrap after, once it's been used. Just use one. Theo released a video today talking about he's building software that is literally going to be used once and then you throw it away. So devs are thinking like this, and I think Anthropic are trying to make the workforce think like this, hence co-work. And did you know they built it in a week and a half using Claude Code?
That is actually very interesting, and Claude Code wrote 100% of it.
Yeah, 100%. So
that is insane. Yeah.
So it's really cool. And I made a video a few weeks ago, and I asked my brother, if you could build any app, what would you build? And he gave me an idea. And yes, you couldn't do what he wanted with co-work, for sure. But it was beautiful to give someone that power, that superpower, to say you can build your own software to get just stupid little things done.
Like what?
And I'm getting more and more stupid things, little stupid things done from every day, Like
the example I gave with like the drink thing. I want to have it like when my friends come over, and I want to have a list of who wants what and their favorites, their comments on it, and like star ratings. And I want to have like a nice thing like when they come by, and I'm already pretty sure it will be much better than what restaurants and bars have.
Probably.
Currently, yeah,
probably.
Like people who think like there won't be any software to be written. I think they haven't seen, they haven't gotten out to see like how bad the software situation is everywhere. Like we have the best, and it's still like quite buggy, right?
Yeah.
We have the
Absolutely.
best, like the Mac and everything on the web and everything. But if you look at other industries and other jobs and like the software that they use, a lot of it is from it's from the 90s. It's old. It's really bad. It has no UX anyway. So yeah, it's fun to see all of these being done with Claude Code and things similar to that.
Yeah, and I think it's only going to get more and more prevalent. People just, again, not thinking about it. Just, I need this. Again, I just need to organize all my hard drives. I asked AI to build the script, but that's all Co-work is doing, is building a script that will run all this moving of files, comparing files and whatever. This is more of a conversational aspect where it can actually give you feedback and whatever. I mean, mine can. I can ask it to. Like, so yeah, it's really cool.
So this is just, I know we're continuing on this conversation, but this is what I've talked about in the past. UI for AI. We are seeing more and more UI for AI. And I see this also in Cursor. When I use the plan mode, I pretty much always say, ask me stuff, give me ideas. Here are my ideas, but like use it as a seed and give me more, right? And then it comes back with like a list of selection. So previously I had to type in. Now I can literally select the things that the options that it's giving me, and I can always add stuff to the chat. But I'm seeing more UI for AI, and I like that.
Yeah, it's cool.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.